Hello, I'm Chris from Lewis County Head Start, and today we're going to talk about the water cycle. And after the video, we'll do a short demonstration on a project you can do at home that will mimic the water cycle. The water cycle is the evaporation and transportation of water to a new location. And it begins with evaporation, E, V, A, P, O, R, A, T, I, O, N. And that is when the sun heats up the water from a body of water, such as a lake, river, stream, or ocean, and cause it to form itty bitty little droplets that rise up into the sky. Now, the more of these evaporated water droplets collect and get carried on by the wind, they form condensation. C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N. And what that is the water droplets got collected high in the air and began to regroup, usually as ice. And when that happens, they form clouds. And here in Washington, we see a lot of that, don't we? So when condensation occurs, clouds are formed. And after the clouds are formed, more and more water gets added to the clouds, which then cause them to rain. And we see tons of that too. And once the rain starts, that's called precipitation. P-R-E-C-I-P-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Precipitation. Now, as that water keeps falling down from the clouds, it eventually makes its way back to the ground, or in my drawing's case, the ocean. And once it reaches its destination, it's called collection. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. And to demonstrate this further, I have made a picture. So again, we start with evaporation. The sun heats up the water and it gets into the sky. And once a bunch of it's collected in a high altitude, it makes condensation. From there, it forms clouds, which upon gathering so much water, they become heavy and rain. As you can see on my drawing, it's raining over the mountains, and that is when it forms precipitation. And it's all that rain flowing all from the mountain down into the ground and collected in the ocean. As you can see here, when the water hits the ground, it can be absorbed into the soil, which helps the grass and trees grow. And once it hits its destination, it's called collection. Now, a little project you can do at home to demonstrate the water cycle is you take a Ziploc bag, some water, I added blue dynamine, and you pour it into the Ziploc bag, as so. You don't need too much. Then you want to seal it up tight, and then you can hang it in the window. On this one, I left a little blank, but you can draw the sun, the water, and the clouds, like so. Got your ocean, got your sun, got the wind carrying the droplets, you got your clouds, and then you have the rain. And then from there, you hang it in the sunny spot of your window, and you can watch the water evaporate by the sun and then transport across the top of the bag where it will eventually drip down to the bottom. Another example you can do is take a clear glass cup, fill it about 3/4 full of water, and let it sit in the hot window. And overnight, the water will evaporate, and then it'll condensate on the outside of the glass. So essentially, the water will move from inside the glass, and overnight, it'll form on the outside of the glass. And that's basically how the evaporation condensation process works. And then I'll just move down, collect, and repeat. Well, that's it for the water cycle. I hope you found this entertaining, and I hope you can enjoy the project. My name's Chris from Lewis County Head Start signing off. Have a wonderful time.